Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back my YouTube channel Auto Review. Please like, share and subscribe. The 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is back, and it's making a bold statement. A nameplate that once defined American muscle with a sleek coupe design now returns with modern performance and aggressive styling. Let's dive deep into what makes this reborn legend a serious contender in today's market. Walking up to the new Monte Carlo SS, the first thing that grabs attention is its aggressive front fascia. A wide, blacked-out grille with the iconic SS badge sits between slim LED headlights that stretch toward the fenders. The sculpted hood features functional heat extractors, hinting at the power beneath. The side profile maintains that classic coupe silhouette, but with a more aerodynamic approach. A sloping roofline seamlessly blends into the rear deck, where a subtle lip spoiler adds a sporty touch. Sitting on massive 20-inch alloy wheels with performance tires, this car means business. The rear is just as bold, featuring quad exhaust tips, a rear diffuser, and signature LED taillights that give a nod to its muscle car heritage. It's a blend of modern design and nostalgic elements, making it a true head-turner on the streets. Stepping inside, the Monte Carlo SS delivers a driver-focused cockpit with a mix of luxury and performance-oriented design. Premium leather and Alcantara adorn the seats, with SS embroidery adding a sporty flair. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather, giving a firm grip for spirited driving. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying real-time performance data, navigation, and driver assistance features. At the center, a massive 12-inch infotainment screen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Chevrolet's latest MyLink system. A premium Bose sound system ensures a high-quality audio experience, while ambient lighting enhances the cabin's futuristic feel. Comfort isn't sacrificed for sportiness. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof make every drive enjoyable. Rear seat space is decent for a coupe, but let's be honest, this car is built for the driver. Under the hood, the 2025 Monte Carlo SS is packing serious firepower. A 6.2-liter supercharged V8 borrowed from the Camaro ZL1 pushes out a staggering 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters for manual control. For purists, there's even a 6-speed manual option. The result? A blistering 0 to 60 time of just under 3.5 seconds. Launch control, a limited slip differential, and adaptive suspension ensure maximum performance on both the track and the street. The steering is sharp and responsive, with magnetic ride control keeping the car planted during high-speed cornering. Massive Brembo brakes bring this beast to a stop in an instant, giving drivers confidence at every turn. Despite its muscle car DNA, the Monte Carlo SS is surprisingly refined, offering a smooth ride in touring mode while unleashing its full potential in sport mode. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS starts at around $55,000 for the base SS trim, which already comes packed with performance and tech features. Stepping up to the SS Premium, which adds upgraded interior materials, an enhanced sound system, and more driver assistance features, pushes the price closer to $62,000. The range-topping SS Track Edition, with carbon fiber aero enhancements, track-tuned suspension, and lightweight wheels, comes in at approximately $70,000. While not the cheapest muscle coupe on the market, the Monte Carlo SS delivers an incredible blend of power, luxury, and heritage, making it well worth the price for enthusiasts. The 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is more than just a revival, it's a statement. With aggressive styling, a high-tech interior, and a monstrous V8 under the hood, it's a true modern muscle car that pays homage to its roots. Whether you're looking for a high-performance daily driver or a weekend track warrior, this car delivers on all fronts. Chevrolet has brought back an icon, and it's better than ever. Let me know in the comments, would you take the new Monte Carlo SS over a Dodge Challenger or a Ford Mustang? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews right here on Auto Review.